Hello everyone. In today's class we are going to read about the Hindi alphabets part 13. Before moving into this video, we will recommend you to watch all the remaining 12 parts and then return back to this video. Th se tarbooj. Th se tarbooj. Th se tali. Th se tali. Now let us fill few exercises. This is your page. Try to fill in the first letter of this given word. Try it. I have filled it. It's ta se tarbooj. Ta se tarbooj. This is your page. Try to fill in the first letter of this given word. I have filled it. It's th se thali. Th se thali. I hope you have enjoyed watching this class. Thank you for watching. If you like our videos, kindly subscribe to our channel and help us to make more videos like this. I will meet you soon in our next video. Until then, bye. Take care. See you.